Yeah. Dixie Dog says, good morning. Thanks for joining us on this great morning to a little upland bird. So, been hunting one of my favorite spots. A little mix of farmland and timber and some hardwoods. We just put up some grouse over there in that grove of aspen that you see there. I mean, they're pretty cagey. They kept, I shot at them anyway, didn't get them, but they kept the trees in between them and the end of this barrel here. So anyway, we're gonna make another loop up through those trees there and see if we can't pick up the grouse. Wind blowing a little bit, but that don't matter. So, come on with us here. Maybe here at the end of this, I'll talk about my CZ double barrel Upland Ultralight. That is my go-to rifle for hunting ground like this and walking. It's light. I got the sling on it, so maybe I'll talk a little more about that at the end. So let's finish this hunt. Dog's excited. Got up the bird, but we didn't get anything. But at least we cleaned out the barrel there. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Come on. Did this hunt. Got one more hunt. I might island over here. I think I might check that out for some pheasants. Saw some grouse. I know we saw some grouse. It didn't connect with them. Probably one more spot, then we'll go home. CZ shotgun. I mentioned my preferred upland hunting gun. Nice and lightweight. I got a sling on it here. I just put it on my shoulder when I'm just flat out walking. Has a barrel selector right there. I can select what barrel I'm shooting. Right now, I got it set. My bottom barrel goes off first. Has a modified choke in it. Then my second shot is a full choke when the birds are out there a ways. And I can switch between barrels in case one gets up out there a ways. I can quickly switch that over to the top barrel and take a shot at him with my choke. So CZ, yeah, I always grab this. Got several different shotguns, but I'm always grabbing this one for my upland bird chasing. So let's go check out this other little spot and see what we can find. Come on. Well, I think I'll call it a day. The wind's picking up pretty good out here on the prairie. Was go hunt this over here, but kind of looking around, looks like somebody already maybe beat me to the spot this morning. One other spot, there's a guy driving a Subaru, of all things, parked in there. I can see him walking. I doubt he used to go have any luck. He didn't have any dog. He was packing a shotgun, walking across the field. But anyway, I think I'll head on back to town. Got some fall projects I need to